The experience of studying in Hubei North University and Hubei Medical University is extremely valuable to me. Hubei North University is the enlightening place for me to studying medicine and the place where my dream began. There are teachers who guide and teach me, and friends who always support and encourage me. I have gained a lot in the learning process and deeply feel China investment and effort in the field of education. I feel that this place not only provide me with a good learning environment, but also give me the feeling of home. In addition, I know the importance of education, especially for the medical education, which is related to life and health. I hope that I can pass on the knowledge and experience I have learned here to more international students from different countries. And also hope that through our effort we can promote the understanding between different cultures in the order to ensure the smooth progress of Winter Olympics. We spent nearly a year on English training for doctor in the first affiliated hospital. We went to every department to teach and communicate. Although this process is little hard, I feel very proud to see that the Dr. English has improved significantly. It is great honor and inspiration for me to get this award. It is not only recognition of personal work, but also an affirmation of the friendship between Pakistan and China. I also the value and importance of this award. I will continue to work hard and make greater contribution to promote educational and cultural exchange between China and Pakistan. I want to say Hubei is the place full of opportunity. Here you can not only learn advanced medical knowledge and skills, but also feel a colorful cultural life. Please cherish this precious time, study hard, cooperate with Chinese people actively, and make this experience the most unforgettable page in your life. At the same time, I also hope that you can become a bridge connecting different countries and culture, and make your own contribution to promote world peace and development.